Hello, welcome to Aqua Finance Credit and Tech.
Surprise December stimulus check payments of $600 and $1,100 will begin rolling out tomorrow. Here's how you'll be sent your cash. The batch of stimulus checks started going out on November 29th, and the final payments are expected to be issued by December 17th. California is sending out 803,000 Golden State stimulus payments worth up to $1,100 on December 17th, and checks started being distributed this week. Those who qualify for the stimulus check will typically get it using the refund option selected on their tax return. Eligible households will receive a stimulus check worth between $600 and $1,100. It comes as a check worth up to $6,300 was sent out to hundreds in Atlanta by December 15th. Students at an Atlanta medical school will get the checks within the next few days before Christmas. Morehouse School of Medicine is going to give each student $6,300 to pay for education-related expenses, according to the Atlanta Journal-Constitution. A group of senior citizens have demanded to be sent new $1,400 stimulus checks, citing a rise in their cost of living. The Senior Citizens League wrote to its supporters detailing their plans for a petition for the extra cash payments for retired Americans. That came after estimates predicted a boost of 6.2% to the cost of living adjustment, COLA. An increase of that size would mark the biggest surge in monthly payouts since 1983, but that is causing concern for a number of senior citizens. Mary Johnson, Social Security and Medicare policy analyst at the Senior Citizens League, told CNBC. They are worried as a result they could face higher costs in other areas, especially if the income boost pushes them into a higher tax bracket. A non-taxable stimulus check would help alleviate those fears, petitioners say. Johnson said some of the group's members have been forced to eat one meal a day or cut back on their prescription drugs. Some Americans are worried they will not receive any more stimulus checks as the number of weekly jobless claims continues to fall. Millions of Americans have signed petitions calling for $2,000 payments to be introduced, but the White House has not proposed another round of checks. Addressing President Biden, one Twitter user said, "You know what would help improve your approval ratings? A surprise stimulus check to help offset the higher cost of goods. $1,500 to $2,000 right after Thanksgiving." Another called for multiple checks for Americans earning less than $75,000 a year and hazard pay for employees that worked throughout 2020. Inaccurate information could delay payments. Stimulus checks are also still going out as fresh payments and plus-up ones, with the latter applying if the IRS owes you more than it already paid. Just like with the child tax credits, these will typically go out as paper checks unless you've signed up for direct deposit payments. You'll also want to make sure you get the IRS letter verifying when it sent your payment. This is important for anyone who may be eligible for a stimulus check, but who experiences an unexpected holdup receiving their money. You can check how much you'll get and how you'll be paid by using the IRS Get My Payment tool. Additional reasons for payment delays. Tax refunds could also be delayed or missed out on if you don't update your address with the IRS. As of early June, average tax refunds were $2,775, according to data from an IRS filing. The final deadline to file federal 2020 tax returns was on October 15th, and it applied to households who filed an extension ahead of the May 15th deadline. The only exceptions are for members of the military and others serving in a combat zone. They typically have 180 days after they leave to file returns. Taxpayers in federally declared disaster areas who already have valid extensions also don't need to have complied with the October 15th deadline. Thanks for watching. Leave comments below. Stay tuned for more news and updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.